Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Nature and the Universe, we draw everything that's in nature and everything that's up in the skies. So let's begin. Today I'm going to show you how to draw some beautiful spring flowers. So let's begin. This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have a dollar store drawing pad here. It's 8.5 by 11 inches wide. Now normally I start my drawings by using a pencil, but today I'm not going to use a pencil. I'm only going to use markers. Now what you're going to need are lots of colors. I have a lot of colors here. You're definitely going to need a green, and I have this. It's a Papermate marker. It's kind of a thin tip. You can use any green. That's going to be for the grass and the flower stems and leaves. And for the flowers, you're going to need a whole bunch of colors. I've got red, yellow, purple, blue, pink, and orange. And these are dollar store markers. So why don't we start? This is a little different from what I usually do. I'm going to start with my yellow marker. And I'm going to draw 5 flowers today. So I'm just going to start by drawing some circles. This is going to be the inside part of the flower. And I'll put one here because I want 5 flowers today. And I want enough room in between so that I can put the petals. And if you're wondering, you might see something underneath. I've put a piece of scrap paper under my paper so it doesn't get all over the next page. So what I'm going to do right away is just fill in those circles with yellow. We're doing a little flower drawing here for springtime. Okay, so we've got basically 5 yellow dots. So now what I'm going to do is add some petals on each one, and each flower is going to have a different color. I'm going to start with blue, and I'm just going to go around and draw some petals. Just like that. And I'm going to outline my little yellow circle there. And I'm going to fill in the flower with blue. You can make these flowers any color you want. You can make the shapes of the petals long or short. You can give each flower 5 petals like I have, or 10 petals. Or 3, it's all up to you. I just want you to have fun today drawing some nice spring flowers. Because here in the Northern Hemisphere, where I live, in Canada, spring is in the air. I am so looking forward to spring and seeing some flowers. Okay, the next color I'm going to choose is orange, and I'm going to work on this little guy down here. So why don't I start with just outlining my yellow circle, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to give him 5 petals. I'm saying him. Could be a her. There. And then I'm going to color that in. See, my petals aren't very even. I might make this one a little bigger. There we go. And these petals are bigger than those, but that's okay. No flower is alike. Everything is different. In nature, with people, everyone's different. Nobody wants to be all the same, right? That would be boring. It's good to be different. There. It's already looking so pretty. Now the next color I'm going to choose is, let's see, I think purple. Purple. And I'm going to do this one on the top. So I'll start by outlining my yellow, and I'll do the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing 6 on this one. All right. And I'm going to color that in with purple. Can you hear my dog snoring? I think in every video you hear my dogs. The cats are always quiet, or my cat is always quiet during the videos, but my dogs, no. All right. Now the next color I'm going to choose is pink. Now this one here is very close to this one, so I'm going to make these petals smaller. And this one's going to have 6 petals too. All right, I'm going to fill that in with pink. I really love these dollar store markers. This end here, it's called a brush end. You could go out and buy expensive supplies, but the dollar store has a lot of nice stuff. Very inexpensive. There. Now my last color is red. And I'm going to make these petals nice and big, because I have a lot of room here, so these are really round petals. I may only fit 4. Yeah, look at that. I made that a little different. Now I'm going to fill it in with red. This is a big petal here. This is a fun drawing today. Are you guys enjoying it? What colors did you choose for your flowers? Make this one a bit bigger. How many colors did you choose? You could make them all the same color, you know? Now I'm going to make this petal just a little bigger to make it look kind of like the others. There we go. So those are my beautiful little flowers. Now I'm going to grab my green and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to just put a little stem on each one of these. And they're kind of squiggly. And I'm going to end them all sort of on the same spot. Okay? And now for each one, I'm going to give the flower a couple of leaves. See, just a few little leaves like that. And I'm just going to quickly just kind of scratch in some color. I'm not really filling it up with the green. And I'm going to do the same thing with each flower. 2 little leaves. And I'm scratching in some green. 2 little leaves. Scratching in some green. 2 little leaves. And now what? Scratching in some green. Last one. 2 little leaves. Scratching in some green. Very nice. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to draw in some grass. And that's like this. Just scratching in some grass. You can make the grass tall. You can make it small. But just make sure you go all the way to the end there. I'm going to make my grass small and tall. So I'm starting off with the small little scratching here. Then I'm going to just do some like that. All different, you know, left and right, all different directions. It doesn't have to be straight up, because grass doesn't really grow straight up, does it? There. That's it, my friends. That's our little flower drawing today to hopefully get spring here quicker. Now don't forget to sign your work, my friends. This is a beautiful work of art that you created today, and I want you to be very proud of yourself. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and remember to mom and dad, if you post your kids' art on Instagram, don't forget to tag me. The link is in the description below or in the About section of my channel. We'll see you next time on Nature and the Universe. Thanks for watching. Bye.